Hello guys, welcome to a new video tutorial series of the programming languages. And in my previous video I had explained about all the languages: C, C++, JavaScript, Java, how it used by Python, and how it's used by different syntaxes, functions, loops, conditions, polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation. And in this video I will explain how each language excels its common use. So each programming language has its own strength, and it's particularly suited for different projects and industries. It is the breakdown. In C is basically a system programming for developing operating system, embedded system level application due to slow level memory access and performance efficiency. So, program critical application: when a program is critical factors such as games, engine, real-time processing, operating system, the C can excel in that case. Common uses: many OS kernels like Linux, Ubuntu are written in C. Embedded system: C is widely used as a microcontroller programming, high performance computing. Example projects like developing firmware for a controller in medical device, writing a custom operating system for a specific computing device, we can use the C. C++ is basically used by game development, is heavily used in game, Unity, uh, 3D, all the games used by C++, development due to its performance and powerful libraries and built in real engine. Large scale systems: C++ is development for developing large complex systems such as ERPs, where both system performance reliable. High performance application: it is used in area of finance where speed and efficiency are paramount, like the banking applications. Common use for gaming engines: most major gaming like Unreal and written in C. Financial systems are often written in C. Application requiring high performance and complex user interface using the C++. Example projects: developing if you are developing a 3D game using Unreal Engine, you can definitely use the C++. Creating a high performance trading platform. Java is basically used for the enterprise application, widely used, like the if you want to create a stock exchange software like that, you can use definitely Java, or a ERP. Or if you want to create a mobile application, Java is mainly used because it's supported by Android SDKs. So web development is basically Java robust framework like Spring Boot are popular for building scalable, secure web application. Commonly used large scale enterprise application like finance, healthcare, retail application, Android apps. Also it used by web services, RESTful APIs, like Spring and Hibernate, like web APIs, or maybe SOAP. It's used by Java. It I will explain my next videos for sure what is API and RESTful APIs. Basically, RESTful APIs is using basically a different REST is a type of the used by all the APIs. So if any API using a pattern of REST, it will be a RESTful API. An API is like something that can perform you just give uh, you know a function that perform read, write, update, delete function for you, and that can be used by different websites at the same time. And like if you create an API that will get all the information about a user in Chicago that has a car and has a sports car. So if I want to get the information every time I have to create an program, no, we can use the built-in application for that. That's the API, someone create that API for us and we just use it. Like if you want to book a ticket, we simply go to the airline website, or just another way where we have all the airlines website like Vigo or ticket.com or priceline.com, where all the airlines give their APIs to that particular site. So we don't need to go to the different websites for a ticket. We just go to the Priceline or ticket.com, simply get all the ticket of airlines where we want to go. So this is how API works. So it is mainly used for enterprise resource planning projects like ERP, developing an Android application for mobile apping. Python is basically used for machine learning, like simple syntax, powerful libraries like Panda, TensorFlow, and Skitlearn. Make it go-to language for data analysis and machine. Like I told you about the web development used by Django and Flask. Python is ideal for quickly development web application. Python is of use make it perfect for writing automation script and small utility programs. Data science, machine learning models, data visualization, Django and Flask, web apps, automation. If you want to create an automation in your website that will generate charts or pie charts or any uh, tables, we use the Python. Like for stocks, in stock prices, every time it will, we have to read the data of like how this stock perform in last year, how this perform in last month, how this stock perform in last day. So how do we use to data analyze that using the different charts and tables? So we use the Python. And JavaScript is mainly used for web development, front end application, full stack web development, mobile desktop application. If you use the mobile application development, we use the React Native and JavaScript and the Node.js. If you use a full stack developer, you become a JavaScript expert. You need a React development, you need a Angular development, you need a Vue.js for front end and Node.js for back end. That enables a full stack developer. Also, you need to understand the MongoDB syntax to become a full stack developer. So if a website needs both front end and back end development, and also the website can run on different platforms like desktop applications or mobile application, we use the JavaScript. So building a dynamic website with React.js, developing a cross platform, there are some websites that can work on uh, your web browser and your mobile application the same. So do you think that they have created a separate website? No. Do you think that Facebook had created a separate for web browsers and mobile application? No, they just create us the backend is same, the front end layout is different. Like the backend programming is same. If you send a message to a person, same like in web browser and same like in your app, but the layout is different. In mobile application we have different type of layout, we have more icons and beautiful look, but in Windows web browser we have a different type of layout that is broad and you can type as much you can. So this is how we interactive websites works. Like they have might create a React on web browser and React Native for the mobile application. So what is the advantage of know the multiple languages? So let's see, if you have a grasp knowledge of C++, Python, JavaScript, so whenever you work as a program manager or you know you are working as a in a team and there's a new project came, you if you know all the languages, you have a better understanding how you solve this problem with that language. So you have a broader job opportunities because you have work on different languages. So become a software architect, you must learn 3 to 4 languages. You know how the languages work in class platform development like JavaScript. If you know how to do it, that's how you can use the languages according to your choice. So if someone wants to develop a mobile application, you choose Java, because for iOS you use Swift and for Android Studio you use for Play Store. Same like with the C++, if someone wants to create a game, we use the C++. If someone like wants to create a stock exchange website or a health care website which get the you get the patient information and retrieve the data and check if the person has ability to have a heart attack or something like that. That can be analyzed by using the bunch of data sets in Python. So this is how we, each language has its own strength and specific type of project can be used. So at a certain level, when you have understanding of these 3 to 4 languages, you can definitely, you know uh, uh, perform that project in that languages. So if you have no idea about, like, if you only know C++, if someone is want to do a stock exchange, you cannot create that website on C++. You can, but that's quite difficult. So this is a multiple language can help you, grow in your career and help you to make a better software for the client. So I hope you understand my video, and I try to explain it briefly. But if you did not understand something, you just need to, write a comment below my video, and I will try to explain it in my next video. So, hope you like my video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned with us for our next informative videos. Happy learning. Thank you so much.